What if I told you that not learning English might be the one thing silently holding you back? Jobs, connections, travel, even confidence, slipping away, not because you're not smart, but because you can't speak a language that connects the world. Now, before you say, "I'll start tomorrow," just ask yourself this: how many tomorrows have already passed? Today, in just a couple of minutes, I'm going to help you take your first step in speaking English like a confident communicator. But stay till the end, because what I reveal in the last minute might just reprogram your entire mindset. Let's be honest, most of us didn't grow up speaking English at home. Some of us translated every English word in our head before speaking. And let's not forget the legendary myself. We laughed, but deep down, we knew. Every time we hesitated to speak English in front of others, every job interview that didn't go our way, every group where we stayed silent, it wasn't our lack of talent, it was our lack of language. But here's the truth: English isn't a talent, it's a tool. And if you don't use it, you lose opportunities, not just words. Let me ask you this: have you ever wanted to say something but couldn't because you didn't know how to say it in English? That's not just frustrating, it's dangerous. Because if you don't speak up, you stay invisible. You don't need to speak perfect English. You just need to start speaking English. Let's break the myth right now. You will not wake up one day fluent. You will become fluent one sentence at a time. Start with simple things. Say hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, what's up, how are you, how's it going? Practice 5 phrases daily, even to yourself. Here is a pro tip for you. Use hello or hi in almost any situation. Use what's up with friends. Keep it simple and confident. And hey, if you can sing 2 verses of your favorite Bollywood song, you can definitely remember 2 English lines. Consistency is more powerful than grammar books. Your first sentence will be broken. Your second will still be awkward. But your 10th, that's the beginning of fluency. And here's the secret: the people judging you, they're too scared to try themselves. Don't let fear of mistakes stop you. The biggest mistake is not speaking at all. Now imagine you're meeting someone for the first time. Here's a simple conversation. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine too. What's your name?
My name is Eddie. What's yours?
I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Simple, right? Try this with a friend or family member. Practice makes progress. The English you dream of speaking, the confidence you envy in others, it's already inside you. You're not too old. You're not too late. You're just one decision away. So here's what you do today. Take 1 sentence from this video. Say it aloud. Then tomorrow, say 2. In 30 days, you'll speak with more fluency than 90% of people who keep waiting for the right time. The exact same principle that builds your English fluency is the same law that builds your wealth, your habits, even your success. It's called the power of compounding. And if you want to know how one tiny step each day creates massive results in life, then don't stop now. Like, comment your favorite phrase and subscribe for more breakthrough episodes. And hey, if you have a question, no matter how simple or how awkward it sounds, just write it in the comments, in your own words, even if your English isn't perfect. Because here, we don't judge. We learn, we teach, we grow together.